guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good, and today we're doing a face pack, a DIY face pack, which is quite a lot of natural. So I'll tell you guys what all is required for this. So the first thing is just the basic bowl and spoon you'll require, and I'm using more of a natural ingredients. You can use an alternative also. So I'm using wild honey, which looks in this color. I don't care if you guys can see it, but yes, that is how it looks like. It looks in a more of a dark coffee color, and you will need some coconut oil, which I have there. I can't show you guys now. So you'll need some turmeric. If it is okay if you're using a natural turmeric, it is okay even if you're using the normal turmeric. And honey bhi aise hi chalega. You can use normal honey. If you have wild honey, you can use wild honey. It is okay. This is the one which I bought from my native place last time we visited. So yeah. And this is actually a bathing powder जो मैंने bottle पे रखा है, but still yeah. So you guys can see it. It has little green color granules. मम्मी ने कुछ almonds and rice सब कुछ मिला के उसको बनाया. So that is it. Some bathing powder. You can use like I generally use Shubra's bathing powder, but this is more natural, which my mom got it done in a rice mill. So now I'm going to be showing you people how I mix it. So here is the bowl, and here is the honey. एक्चुअली इसको मैंने एक बार ग्रीन टी में यूज़ किया है. आई यूज टू हैव इट फॉर द ग्रीन टी, but I couldn't resist the taste. I vomited, so I'm using it for the face packs right now. So I'm pouring in 2 spoons of honey. Okay, 2 no, take it 1 tablespoon of honey, and we're gonna be adding in some turmeric mixedly. So the amount of turmeric I'm taking is just a little pinch. Yeah, it's just a little pinch is what I'm taking here. Okay, so honey is anti-inflammatory and it prevents pimples. Actually, yeah, it prevents pimples, and turmeric is antibacterial. It kills off all the bacteria, all the pimple-causing bacteria. So here we have a mixture, and इसमें हम coconut oil add करेंगे. So I'm adding very pretty few drops. Not drops. Take it half teaspoon. Became too oily. If you're a dry skin one, you can add more amount, and if you're an oily skin one, you can add lesser amount. So coming to this powder, I'm not gonna add a particular quantity of powder. I'm gonna show you guys how I add it basically. So we're just taking, like, I pour in a little quantity, and then again I mix and see whether it is the consistency or not. Even the first 2 times you guys will be a little confused, but बाद में आपको पता चलेगा कि how to mix and all. So if you have any doubts regarding this, you can leave a comment in the comment section, or else if you have Instagram, you can DM me and ask for anything. So the consistency has to be a little bit runny, not so much runny, but it has to be a little bit runny. Yeah, देखो, it has to be something like this. थोड़ी और ऐड करेंगे. So actually इसमें तो थोड़ा सा स्क्रब की तरह particles है which scrub my skin. So this face mask is totally unisex. You can wear it even if you're a male or a female. It doesn't matter. and it works for all skin types. So don't forget to send me a before and an after picture. I will be so happy looking at that. It's not me who formulated all these ingredients into this face pack, but it's my mom who always gets me some wild honey and always gets me some this of a powder and all of this stuff, and she's the one who taught me like a bunch of skincare. So few times I'll be interested to add in a fruit like a piece of papaya or a piece of apple or a piece of banana will also go. You can add fruits even, but अभी मेरा मुझे मूड नहीं लग रहा है fruits add करने की. So this is how runny it has to be. I'll show it to the camera. So this is how runny it has to be. It has to be quite a lot of liquidy and jelly. What I'm gonna do is I'll use the back of the spoon and I'll scrape out a little bit of the face pack and I'll tap to spread it all over the spoon. Okay? And now we're taking out a bimbi. Ouch, 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 don't fall down. Okay. So I just start off applying like this. So here is a quick after you people for the face pack. This is an after. You guys can definitely try it out and look at my lips. They became too soft, so do try it out. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down below how you feel about it. If you're trying this face pack, don't forget to send me the before after pictures or tag me in your story or whatever you do. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Pinterest, and I'm on Snapchat, so you can send me on Snapchat too. I'll put everything down in the description box. Go follow. Bye bye.